Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how I made this pot of stew. The stew came out so well and I decided to share with you. You can make this for party or weekend or just for bulk use, So what you need are your fresh tomato, bell pepper, onion, garlic and ginger. So we're going to go ahead and wash these. You can roast your tomatoes, or boil them for a better taste. Actually, for me, I didn't do any of those. I just fried straight on because I was in a hurry to make this particular stew. But if that's the case, you need to fry for a longer time. Add your vegetable oil to the pot, add your onion, and you're going to stir your onion very well so it's going to caramelize and release all the aroma. Then you go ahead and add your tomatoes, add all your blended tomatoes, and this is going to take a long time. Since we didn't boil it, it took a long time. For me, it took about an hour 15 minutes to fry that. Now it depends on the quantity of tomato you're frying, so that is it. I added my seasoning to it, curry thyme, you can add paprika, you can add rosemary, whatever seasoning you use for your stew. Now go ahead and add your protein. I prepared this protein outside this video just to make it really quick, for people that you just want to quickly make a stew. Add meat stock. Now after meat stock, you can add in extra water. It depends on how light you want your stew to be. For me, just a little meat stock was okay for me because I really wanted the stew to come out this thick. But you can add more water to yours. You can make it spicier. You can add whatever you're comfortable with, please. Now, how is this stew? Is it not giving a 10 over 10? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.